Hey guys, welcome to yet another amazing video. In this video we're going to look on the biggest street party in London. Join London's biggest street party as the Notting Hill Carnival fills the streets of West London with Caribbean colors, music and flavors. Watch elaborate floats and colorful costumed performers wind their way through the streets in the Carnival parade, dance to the sound of steel bands and Calypso music, and visit the tempting food stalls along the route. What is Notting Hill Carnival? Notting Hill Carnival was first held in 1966 as an offshoot of the Trinidad Carnival, celebrating Caribbean culture and traditions in London. When Notting Hill Carnival first started in the neighborhood of Notting Hill, around 500 people attended the Caribbean festival. The carnival has since become the largest street festival in Europe, attracting hundreds of thousands to London, and it continues to grow in popularity. You can usually expect to see some 50,000 performers in the parade and more than 30 sound systems, with more than 1 million people attending over the carnival weekend. If you're planning to go to the carnival, find where to stay near the celebrations, check out Caribbean restaurants to refuel it afterwards, and download the Visit London app for more information on Notting Hill Carnival. Celebrate the capital's Black history year-round at the Black Cultural Archives in Brixton and during Black History Month in London. Get a scoop of the best things to do in Notting Hill all year round with this guide. When does it take place? Notting Hill Carnival happens every year on the last weekend of August, including the summer bank holiday, public holiday, Monday. What's the Notting Hill Carnival 2022 lineup? Enjoy music from steel bands and DJs, plus food, drinks and more carnival vibes. Highlights of this year's Notting Hill Carnival 2022 lineup include: watch some of the best bands compete during the UK's biggest Steelpan competition at Panorama in Emslie Horniman Pleasance Park. Start the day early and discover one of the carnival's best-kept secrets, Jouvert, which starts just before sunrise. Celebrate the next generation taking up Carnival the Baton at the Joyful Children's Parade, the 28th of August. Immerse yourself in the colorful and exuberant festivities of the traditional parade, which feature Moss, Soca, Calypso and more from 12 p.m., the 28th of August. Expect to see traditional Calypsonians, local artists and some unexpected showstoppers on the live stages. The stage at Meanwhile Gardens provides children's entertainers and interactive performances, perfect for families with young children. Enjoy the unique party vibe created by more than 30 static sound systems playing everything from samba to hip-hop. Keep your energy levels up with food and drink from around the world across more than 300 stalls, including Jamaican jerk chicken, Trinidadian roti and Guyanese pepper pot. Where in London is Notting Hill Carnival? The carnival takes place on the streets of London World War I and World War II, around Notting Hill, Ladbroke Grove, Westbourne Grove, Westbourne Park and Kensal Road. The Notting Hill Carnival route usually remains the same every year and can be found on the official Notting Hill Carnival app, which features a map. How to get to there? As many road closures take place during the festival, public transport is the best way to travel to Notting Hill Carnival in West London. If you're planning to visit the festival, allow extra time for your journey as a number of local tube stations close or are subject to disruption. Extra buses are normally put on during the carnival weekend, but these are diverted away from the carnival route. The nearest tube stations to Notting Hill Carnival are Bayswater, High Street, Kensington, Paddington, Queen's Park and Shepherd's Bush, but some are exit only. Check the Transport for London website before you travel for the latest Notting Hill Carnival transport information. What are the top tips for visiting Notting Hill Carnival? If you're in a group or with family, arrange a meeting point and time in advance. The streets become very busy, and you may want to split up to visit different sound systems and stalls, or follow the carnival parade. Notting Hill Carnival takes place in August, which it's usually hot and sunny. Keep a reusable bottle of water with you to stay hydrated, wear a hat and put on sunscreen. Notting Hill Carnival is a fun and welcoming event, but as with any big event, be aware of pickpockets and keep your valuables out of sight. If you have any problems, inform the police. Most importantly, get into the carnival spirit. Join in with the dancing, check out the many sound systems, feast on Caribbean food and continue the festivities at one of the many after-parties. Thanks for watching the video. See you again on the next video.